everyone, I'm Lucia and welcome back to Write Right. Before you start writing, it's important to have some tricks to make your writing even better. One of these tricks can be figurative language, which is a phrase whose intended meaning is different from the literal meaning. There are several different kinds of figurative language and I'll be going over each of them in this video. Let's get right to it. To start off, let's talk about similes. A simile is a comparison using like or as. This can be used to give meaning to a phrase. An example of a simile would be running like a cheetah. Notice how like is used in a sentence, which is what makes it a simile. Since the reader understands that cheetahs are fast, it gives new meaning to the sentence and shows that the person who is running fast. Similarly to a simile, metaphors compare two unlike objects, but a metaphor does not use like or as. In a metaphor, the author is stating that an object is another object, but that's not what is literally meant by it. An example of a metaphor would be, that day is water under the bridge. The author does not literally mean that a day is water under a bridge, but he or she wants to show the underlying meaning, which in this case is that the day is just an event in the past. Next, we have hyperboles. A hyperbole is an exaggerated statement used for comedic purposes, used to emphasize a point. An example of this would be, that event took 5 million years. This is clearly exaggerated, but it helps prove the point that the event took a very long time. Using hyperboles in a character's speech can help them sound funnier if that's what you're going for. Now for personification. Personification is giving human attributes to a non-human object. Some examples of these would be the wind howled or the flowers danced. Flowers cannot literally dance and the wind cannot speak, but by using personification, the reader can better visualize what is happening in the story. Finally, we have symbolism. Symbolism is when an object has a hidden meaning that's different from what it really is. For example, doves are used as symbols for peace, while a white flag is a symbol for surrender. Names of characters can also be symbols and can be used in a story to help the reader learn more about a person. Universal symbols exist as well, and these are called archetypes. Archetypes are symbols that everyone, anywhere in the world, will understand. These can include things like colors, shapes, and objects of nature. For example, black represents evil, red represents power, and the sea represents mystery. By incorporating symbols into your writing, you can add hidden meaning to your writing, which helps deepen your story and improve your writing in general.